Look, there's stuff in here.
Why is the orange light blinking on the battery dead?
Because it's recording. Now you just look. Help him with his stocking.
Hey, animal. Quiet. Hey, no, that ain't yours, buddy.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is? Oh, here, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, Wyatt.
Wyatt, look.
Wyatt. What, these?
He's too overwhelmed. Wyatt, go get your stocking. I hope it's not breakable. It is yours, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that one is breakable.
Why did you put it in the bag
Here, look.
Get in your stocking. Look.
Look.
Wow, yay. Look at all that stuff. You want to play with those?
Those are way too little for him.
I do. Look, it's a race car. Mater. You want Mater?
He likes the tag. You have to write his name on that
Awesome.
with the stickers.
Hopefully I don't spell it wrong. Ugh, it's stiff.
You want to open this up? Look.
Wait for Tina Freeland.
Well, I'm trying to be that way.
Oh, fishies, they squeak.
Yeah,
Fishies.
those are his new tubby toys.
Here you go, man. Oh, that one's too big to fit out through the hole. Look at the fishies. Look at the fishies. And crocodiles? You got crocodiles too, buddy. Look.
I think he'll like those tubby toys. Right.
Socks, yeah. Oh man, they're all squished. You know? This one's all flattened out. What the heck?
Do you like your socks?
Yeah, socks.
Mmm.
That one's cool.
Look, here's a book for your new tubbies.
Yay. Here you go, Manimal. Look.
Say hi, Tina.
Come sit with me. Hi, Tina.
You like Mater?
Mmm, he tastes good, doesn't it?
Is that yummy?
Made
Oh,
it.
those are so cute.
The Bob the Builder?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he got those from Santa.
Aw, Santa sure does love them.
Santa doesn't realize he's not 3 yet.
We wanted to get him.
So they're going to go up on the special shelf.
Yeah. I wanted to get him the John Deere ones.
I said no, he was too little.
Yeah.
Well, we got him a Matchbox Mater.
Yeah.
That's too big for him to swallow, I think. If that gets caught in his throat, we got a problem.
Yeah, it didn't need a tow truck to get it out.
Well,
Shoot.
what do we do? That is a tow truck.
We better give him a different one because we're going to need Mater.
Here, you can play with this one.
See, he knows what to do with it.
So he can throw it out.
You can pull it out.
Do you want to open a present?
I don't think he's going to swallow this one either.
I don't know. Just let him play with Mater. Who's gonna take pictures?
I'll take pictures.
It's up there.
Okay. That's on the least photo.
Jenick.
Jenny. Oh, you guys.
Do the whole strap and everything. Be like all.
What the hell? Broken.
Here, Wyatt, do you want to open this? Okay. He must play with his
Oh.
washcloth.
Whoa.
I bet he could make that expand polish jewel.
Probably before even putting it in the bathtub.
Open.
Why is it not?
What? Why is it not what? Tina, explain to him how to
Oh, I
use it.
see.
Screen don't light up.
You have to look through the hole.
Not no more?
Oh, it never
Well,
has.
how do I take pictures?
Looking through the hole.
It's professional.
Animal!
Say Father.
Whoa, what are you doing? There's one. Can it come on the screen now?
Well, get the strap off the...
Oh, the lens just flipped up on it.
I don't think Andy can be the photographer. Come here, right
The
here.
learning curve.
That one's Ani's.
Animal.
Right here. Look.
Quiet. I'll get a picture of your butt. That
Look.
wasn't the right butt. I think this is
No, I think he's gonna do it.
Whoa.
Right here.